Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. As you guys can see from the title of the video, today's video, we'll be talking all things clarifying and some of my favorite clarifying shampoos that I like to use on my type 4 high porosity hair. Some of you guys have been asking me if I use clarifying shampoos in my hair care routine, how often do I use them, and what clarifying shampoos I like to use on my hair. So if you are interested in hearing the answers to these questions, then keep watching. So first things first, what is a clarifying shampoo? Clarifying shampoos is a much stronger version of your regular shampoo. These shampoos are formulated to remove dirt, oil, butter, waxes, and even hard water deposits off of your hair and scalp, essentially giving your hair a reset. You will tend to find sulfates within the ingredients list. This is not necessarily a bad thing. When used correctly, sulfates can be quite beneficial to your hair. Sulfates are said to have deepest cleansing effects on your hair and scalp, which comes in so handy, especially when your hair is in need of a reset. You know when your hair starts acting funny? It's not as moisturized as it used to be. The styles are not holding up as long as they normally do, and you haven't changed any of your products. The two culprits of this is you either need a trim or you need to use a clarifying shampoo. Sulfates are surfactants which are used to dissolve and break down the barrier between water, dirt, and oil, which allow them to effectively be washed away in your shower. I'm going to put a list somewhere here on the screen showing you guys some of the most commonly used sulfates found in both regular and clarifying shampoos. Although sulfates have some really beneficial deep cleansing effects on the hair, if not used correctly, it can be quite irritating on your scalp and very drying on your hair strands. So if you're like me and you tend to just like your routine to be foolproof in all aspects, then sulfate-free clarifying shampoos are for you. The 4 shampoos that I'll be recommending today are actually all sulfate-free clarifying shampoos. So the first clarifying shampoo that I'm going to talk about today is the KINKY Curly Come Clean shampoo. This shampoo comes in a 8-ounce bottle and it retails for $17.99 Canadian dollars. And here is the ingredients list for this shampoo. This shampoo is a very gentle clarifying shampoo, very lightweight. It's clarifying, but it still leaves my hair moisturized and soft. It has a citrusy scent to it, but it's very light. So if you are the type of person that just doesn't like strong fragrances in your products at all, I would suggest a clarifying shampoo like this, and a little bit of it goes a long way. So even though she is on the pricier side of things and she is in an 8-ounce bottle, it does take me at least 6 to 7 months before I have to purchase a new bottle. So when it works out like that, it ends up being worth the price in my opinion. This shampoo is formulated with phytic acid, which is a natural chelating agent that removes hard water mineral deposits off of your hair and scalp. If you live in a hard water city like myself, then you already know with hard water comes dry hair. And then on top of that, I'm high porosity. So you can only imagine the dryness that I have to combat on a weekly basis. So a shampoo like this does come in handy. The next shampoo I'm gonna be talking about is the Uncle Funky's Squeaky Clean Clarifying Shampoo. Comes in a 8-ounce bottle as well, and it retails for $16.99 Canadian dollars. You guys already know how much I love Uncle Funky's daughter, okay? I absolutely love that brand. I haven't tried a product yet that I did not like from that brand. And if you guys want to see a video of me using that shampoo, I will leave it in the cards up above. I can't remember if it's on this side or this side, one of these sides, okay? I will leave the cards up above. And here is the ingredients list for this shampoo. This shampoo is formulated with willow bark, which helps promote hair growth, combat dandruff, and leave a fresh minty scent on your hair. It also leaves a very tingly sensation on your scalp, kind of like the same sensation like peppermint and tea tree oil leave on your scalp. And I absolutely love that. It just adds to the feeling of like, yeah, I'm really deep cleansing my hair. I don't know, like when I get that fresh minty feeling on my scalp, I'm just like, yeah, you know, this product is actually working. That might be mind over matter, but I don't care. I don't care. In my mind, it's doing its job. Next shampoo that I will be talking about is the SHEA Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo. And this shampoo comes in a 13-ounce bottle and it retails for $11.96 Canadian dollars. Okay, now we are getting on the more affordable side of things. On their website, they do say it's a moisturizing yet clarifying shampoo. For me specifically, I do feel like my hair is moisturized, but it's not as moisturized compared to when I use the KINKY Curly or the Uncle Funky Squeaky Clean. My hair is not dry or brittle, but it does have that slightly stripped clean feeling on my hair, which personally I don't mind. I honestly do not mind this because that's the whole point of clarifying shampoo. This is a protein-based shampoo. Hydrolyzed rice protein and vegetable protein is the 6th and 7th ingredient, which is great for my high porosity naturals. Protein is our friend, okay? Protein is going to strengthen our hair strands and encourage them, you know what I'm saying, to not break off. Like, don't break off, sis. And a final shampoo that we will be talking about today is the Live Clean Apple Cider Vinegar Clarifying Shampoo. This shampoo comes in a 12-ounce bottle and it retails for $6.98 Canadian dollars. This is the most cost-efficient clarifying shampoo that I like to use. This shampoo is available in practically every drugstore in Canada. So say if the other shampoos that I listed, for some odd reason it's not available, then I like to go in with my Live Clean apple cider vinegar shampoo. Live Clean, their whole brand is vegan, sulfate-free, paraben-free, 98% plant-derived brand. And here's the ingredients list to back that up. This clarifying shampoo will leave your hair stripped and on the drier side of things. Okay, I know it is listed as a moisturizing clarifying shampoo on their website. However, it's just not moisturizing enough for me specifically. And this could be because I am high porosity. When you are using any type of clarifying shampoo, to be honest, you should be following up with a moisturizing shampoo right after. But especially for those clarifying shampoos that leave your hair stripped, please go in with a moisturizing shampoo. One use is enough. They are formulated to get the job done properly the first go round, okay? All right, so when it comes to my clarifying routine, I only clarify my hair once a month, maximum. Like say if in the next coming weeks or the next week or so, I know I'm gonna go in with a protein treatment on my hair. I should probably remove previous conditioning agents, moisturizing creams, lotions, oils, whatever that's already on my hair, just so that my protein treatment can be as effective as possible. I would go in with a clarifying shampoo the week before. I would never recommend clarifying your hair more than once a month. I don't care where on the spectrum you land when it comes to hair types, porosity, whether you have dry hair or super oily hair. I personally would not recommend clarifying more than once a month. If you have super oily hair and you're watching this video, a regular shampoo will do the job. You don't need to clarify your hair every single week. However, you know your hair better than I do. I'm just saying you can be combating severe dryness and breakage. If you are a natural that doesn't even use heavy oils, heavy butters, products that have petroleum or waxes in it, then I would even suggest maybe once every 2 to 3 months using a clarifying shampoo. As I said before, it is a reset for your hair. Your hair does not need a reset every single week. It does not. If you feel the need to reset your hair every single week, what's going on, sis? Sit down. Let's talk about it. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are interested in seeing a video on how I clarify my hair and what steps I use when I'm clarifying my hair. And yeah, y'all, that's all I got to say for this topic. All right, guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comment section below what clarifying shampoos you use in your hair care routine. Let me know in the comment section below how often you clarify your natural hair. Please don't tell me you do it more than once a month. Please don't. Please share down below. I still want to hear from you. Share this video with everyone and anyone that you know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. You know I do. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.